place for rail mode is Customer Experience and Exclusion of Smaller Towns in Intercity High-Speed Rail Networks by Robin Servers from Coventry University, the United Kingdom. By 2040, there will be an increase in high-speed rail networks, as well as a shift towards a green economy. This project explores moving platforms that allow passengers to board a high-speed train using a transferable passenger capsule that is moving parallel to the train without it slowing down to a stop. Moreover, it explores wearable smartwatch devices to enhance customer experience by providing useful information. Second place for the rail mode is HYREC, Using Brake Energy in Diesel Locomotives by Bernhard Reinholz from Hochschule München, Germany. Increasing the efficiency of transportation systems is a major challenge, not only for environmental reasons, but also due to the economic implications. This project introduces a concept called HYREC, which follows a modular strategy allowing the use of recovered braking energy in diesel-driven rail vehicles with onboard electrolysis system. The hydrogen obtained is stored in pressure tanks and used as alternative fuel for the internal combustion engine. First place for the rail mode is ORTMAP, Optimizing Railway Timetables for Maintenance Possessions by Sander van Aken, Patrick Looij and Nikola Besinovic from Delft University of Technology, the Netherlands. High demand for railway travel means a higher usage of existing infrastructure, which in turn increases the need for maintenance and construction works, translating into a range of additional planning challenges. This project develops a novel integrated multi-level and scalable methodology to automatically adjust timetables at national level with feasibility and robustness as key parameters used.